Understanding market timing in investing. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we'll explore the phrase, market timing, commonly used in the world of finance and investing. Whether you're a language enthusiast or someone interested in the stock market, understanding this term will broaden your English vocabulary and financial knowledge. Let's dive in. Market timing refers to the strategy of making buying or selling decisions of financial assets by attempting to predict future market price movements. The goal here is to buy when prices are low and sell when they are high. It's crucial to understand that market timing is based on speculation and involves a high degree of risk and uncertainty. To illustrate, let's consider an example. Imagine an investor who believes that the stock market will soon experience a downturn. Acting on this belief, they might sell their stocks now, hoping to repurchase them at a lower price after the predicted downturn. Similarly, if they anticipate a market rise, they might buy stocks expecting to sell them at a higher price later. Market timing is often debated among investors. Critics argue that it's nearly impossible to consistently predict market movements accurately due to the market's volatility and unpredictability. They suggest long-term investment strategies over trying to time the market. Proponents, however, believe that with careful analysis and experience, one can effectively time the market to maximize returns. For English language learners, the phrase, market timing, can be confusing. It combines a common word, market, with timing, which suggests timing something precisely. In the financial context, it's not just about timing but also about predicting and making informed guesses about the future of financial markets. I hope this video has made the concept of market timing clearer to you. Remember, it's a complex and nuanced term in the world of finance, often surrounded by debate. Understanding such phrases not only enhances your English vocabulary but also your grasp of financial concepts. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.